Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Android settings with Google One Backup step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the Google One app installed on your Android device. Open the Google One app from your app drawer. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the backup option. In the backup section, review what data can be backed up. Select the settings you wish to back up. Make sure to include device settings, photos, and other important information. Tap on Backup now to initiate the process. Wait until the backup is completed. Now, on your new Android device, power it on. Follow the on-screen setup instructions until you reach the Copy Apps and Data screen. Select the option to use an old device. When prompted, sign in with the same Google account used for the backup. Choose the Google One backup you created earlier. Follow the prompts to restore your settings and data. Wait for the restoration process to finish. Once completed, continue with the setup until you reach the home screen. Finally, verify if all your settings and data have been successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.